morning. We're off to Palo Alto today. Today is Feb 15. It's President's Day and it's a rainy Monday morning. Hi guys, for today's video I'm gonna do the unboxing of my first ever Cartier. So I went to Stanford today. Today is President's Day, February 15. So it's a holiday here in California and I was able to secure an appointment. Pag nag-check kayo online, they would say that it's slots are not available, but then I tried to call yesterday and I was able to schedule an appointment for today at 12:30. So we left the house at around 11 a.m. today. Medyo maulan kanina. And then we were there close to 12 and then we're in the boutique around 12:30. So, ito na siya! Ayan. So, let's see. So, this is the paper bag. It's so nice, no? And then the receipt comes in this red envelope. So by the way, the girl that helped me today is Isabel Lee. She's the sales associate in Cartier. And then this is the receipt. Then dito. Then they provide a certificate. So it's a Cartier certificate. Yeah. Ta-da! So they have the serial number and then the date of purchase and the stamp. So and then she gave us freebies. This is for men, Pasha, and another Pasha. And then this is the one for women, Carrot and La Panther. They have a Panther collection, I think. So this is it. Let me see. Amoy mahal. Amoy mahal siya. And then the other one is Carrot. Let me see. Hindi siya maamoy. Bango. Amoy mas mahal siya. Yung Carrot, amoy mas mahal. So they have nice freebies. So I was able to get 4 perfume samples, 2 for women and 2 for men. At least hindi lugi si Mr. C. And then I think she gave this pouch, so you can store your rings in here, your jewelry in here pag hindi mo siya ginagamit. So since I told her that it's my first ever purchase at Cartier, she wrapped it and then put the Cartier seal stamp on the wrapper. So let's open. Parang kinakabahan ako, no? Parang hindi ko alam yung laman. Anyways. Syempre, ayaw na naman nating sirain dahil, you know, wala lang, pero nasira na siya. Charan! This is the box. Then, open another box inside the box. And this one, ako muna titingin. Shala talaga siya. Look. So, Jan! So, for those who are asking what I bought today, so here it is. Love wedding band. May excuse naman ako kung bakit ito yung binili ko. Our wedding ring is this. We got this at Hearts and Arrows sa SM Marikina. And then, hindi na siya kasha. So, this is the replacement. May excuse. Okay. Anyway, this is how it looks. So this is how it looks when you wear it by itself. But I plan to wear it with our engagement ring and the infinity ring that I bought from my friend. So, yeah, this is how it looks with the infinity ring. Yung iba, nilalagyan nila ng infinity ring sa ibabaw din. So I'm thinking if I should get one also. Pero tingnan natin. And so this is how it looks with my engagement ring. Yan. Itong engagement ring namin na to, binili namin to ni Mr. C sa Macy's ng 2014. And then I got another ring from the same friend where I bought the infinity ring. So let's see. So this one, so nice din siya. Ganun lang siya. So sing-sing lang siya. Para sa mga nagtatanong and curious what I bought. So it's just a love wedding band. There's another love ring kasi if you check on their website. This is the love wedding band. This is the thinner version. But there's yung mas makapal, which is the love ring. They call it love ring, and then this is a love wedding band. The love ring is the thicker version, and then this one's the thinner version. Feeling ko kasi hindi bagay sa akin yung thick, plus medyo pricey din yung thick, and if I stack, parang aabot na yan dyan, hindi naman siguro maganda. Anyway, so that's it. That's what I got at Cartier today, and that's it, guys. So that's our unboxing for today. It's my very first Cartier piece, and hopefully not the last. So if I get to buy another one, maybe I can do another unboxing video of what I bought from Cartier. But for now, that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe and share. Thank you so much. Have a good one. Take care and stay safe.